MAMP is a local development environment for hosting and testing web applications. In a different video, the installation process was described. In this video, we will configure MAMP on your local machine. Critical note: MAMP has a unique ability to use any folder as the root folder of the website. We will capitalize on this by having you create your root folder on a cloud drive. This will assist you in protecting data should your hard drive fail. Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive are all examples of cloud drives. Make sure you have a cloud drive account and that the app for your drive is installed and configured on your computer. This should be done prior to setting up MAMP. In this video, I will use Dropbox, but it will look similar regardless of what drive you're using. Open your local copy of the cloud drive in the operating system. Create a new folder named htdocs. Please make sure it is lowercase. htdocs is a common name for the web root folder on a web server, thus our use of the name. With the folder created, start MAMP. When MAMP starts on Mac, it will not start the web or database servers by default, and its settings are not to web standards. We will make these changes in this video. In the menu bar, go to the MAMP menu and choose Preferences. In the General tab, turn on the Start Servers checkbox. Then turn off the Open Web Start Page checkbox. Move to the Ports tab. Click the Set Web and MySQL ports to 80 and 3306 button. These are the web standard ports for these tools. Click the PHP tab. Leave the PHP version at its default selection. Click the Web Server tab. Click the Select button and navigate to your cloud drive. Locate the htdocs folder that you created earlier and select it. When returned to the Web Server tab, look at the path to make sure it appears to be correct. The MySQL tab shows you the current version of the MySQL database. Ignore the Cloud tab as we will not be purchasing cloud backup. Click OK to accept these settings and return to the main MAMP control panel. Click the Start Servers button to start the Apache and MySQL servers. You may see a dialog box asking you for permission for the servers to use the ports you selected. Click Allow. If asked for your system password, provide it. When the servers start on a Mac, you will be asked to provide your password. This is because any port under 1024 must be authenticated to be used. If everything works, you will see green icons next to the server names in the top right-hand corner of the MAMP control panel. If the servers will not start, the typical issue is that the ports are already in use by another program. You must find and shut down the other process. Skype uses port 80, so make sure it is not running. If the servers will not start, go to the Go menu in the Mac operating system, then Utilities, then Activity Monitor. Click the Memory tab, then click the Ports heading. This will cause the processes to arrange themselves by port. Scroll down through the list. If you find anything using port 80 or 3306, click on it, then click the Force a Process to Quit icon in the top left corner of the window. Then click Quit. If a dialog box opens asking for permission to stop a process, give it permission to do so. Sometimes the port may be running inside of a virtual machine. If no ports are shown as being used, click the Process Name heading to arrange the processes by name. Then look for anything that starts with VM, stop that process. When done with the activity monitor, close the window. When both servers are running, click the Open Web Start Page button in the MAMP control panel. A new web page should open in your default browser. If everything worked, you should see a success message. We'll overview a few of the options available from this Web Start page in the next video.